What's up, guys? It's Feder at 3D Print SOS. I just want to do a quick live shoot. This is going to be a real quick pro tip for you. Let me show you what I got going on. Overnight, I started this large 24-hour print, and it's taken up pretty much the entire 330 by 330 build plate here on my custom printer. And if you notice, around the edges here, I have some tape down. So this morning, when I walked down here, I realized that the temperature cooled down overnight quite a bit, and the edges of the print actually started to come up a little bit. And I print with a 20 line brim, and I think that saved this long print. So what I ended up doing was I kicked the bed temperature up by about 4 degrees, and I put some tape on that brim, and it's been printing for about 5 hours now, and it seems to have saved it. I don't see it piling up at all. I don't see any kind of misalignments. So yes, it is going to be curled up around that edge. I'm not going to have a perfectly sharp edge there anymore, but for this particular print, I'm considering this saved, and I'm really happy that this thing's continuing. This is a lot of filament, and it's still only about halfway there. So yeah, pro tip: print with a brim. If you guys have temperature changes, a door could be open, the AC might kick on, or the heat might kick on, the plastic could cool a little bit faster than you thought. Things like this happen during 3D printing, and this is a nice quick way that you can save it if you didn't use glue or other adhesive on the print bed. All right, quick pro tip. See you guys in the next one.
Thank you.